Hey, everybody. Great to be with you today. I'm Shannyn Lee, the managing director at Win Without Pitching. And I just came out of one of our group coaching sessions. When we run a workshop, we offer group coaching afterwards. And we do this so that people can come in and get some practice through role play and get the reps in around the conversations that we're teaching you in these workshops. So it's a great environment to really cement the learnings coming out of the workshop. Today, one of the big things that came up in group coaching was this idea of what do you need once the client says, yes, we want to choose that option and proceed and start working with you on this project or initiative, whatever the case may be. Do you need to create a statement of work? Do you need a contract? Is there going to be an MSA? Is legal going to get involved? And what I just want to remind everybody of is that once that client gives you the verbal commit and they want to proceed, ask them what they need in order to proceed. Don't assume that they need a big, long, detailed scope of work or contract. They might not. They may need something simple and an invoice, and the first payment happens and you're off and running. Or it may be that, in fact, legal has to review things. So you're going to want to know what you're up against in those moments, what level of detail is needed. If legal is going to get involved, or procurement because there's an MSA agreement, what has that client's experience been in the past in order of pushing these things through, getting sign off so that you can get moving on the project? It's the biggest thing that can slow everybody down. So don't forget, in that closing conversation, it's your job to dig into that question. Okay, great. It's time to proceed. What do you need from me in order to get that done? And also, do not feel like you have to agree to the client's contract that they put to you, right? You're free to redline things, mark it up, give them your contract so that you can continue to lead in the sale through the contract phase. So consider all of those things, because those are things that can slow work down and get you caught up in a lot of additional work that maybe isn't even required. All right, food for thought today. Hope you're all well out there. Hit me up at Shannyn@winwithoutpitching.com if you have a question. That's SHANNYN at winwithoutpitching.com, or subscribe to the YouTube channel so you get alerts when new pieces of advice hit, which is every other week pretty much. Okay, thanks everybody. Take care. Cheers.